Hello, my name is Richelle Inganyo. You may call me Chell. I am a graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Psychology. I have a TEFL memorandum. I love baking, dancing, singing, and traveling. I also like creating videos on TikTok and vlogging. I used to be an English classroom teacher for Korean students from children to adults for 5 months. I was also an online English teacher for Japanese students from children to adults for 3 months. My contract ended last August 19. I believe as a teacher I can handle all ages of learners because of my experience. As a teacher, when handling kids, you should be energetic, patient, and fun-loving. I am always thrilled when it comes to free talking with adult students because that would make them imaginative and creative when it comes to expressing their thoughts and opinions. I am a friendly teacher and I always like my students to feel comfortable during my class. So I hope to be one of your teachers and let's learn English in a fun way. Bye!